So here's that housing, and it's in pretty good shape. The only problem is the part guy that took this off just was an idiot, obviously, and cut wires. This piece here is locked in place. There's some kind of plastic clip there. I don't want to break this because it's old. So I think what I'm just going to do, I have enough wire here where I'm just going to solder this one together. That way I can pop this off and just put in my new bulb or whatever. So while I'm at it, I'm going to test these bulbs really quick too. So I just have an old battery here from a cordless drill, old spinner here, and I just get some alligator clips. So I'll do black for negative and red for positive, and this is pretty easy. The base is your ground, and that's your positive. So clip that onto something. You gotta be careful too, you don't want to burn yourself, but so alright, so that one works. Okay, so this one's good. Just checking both filaments here. Maybe. Yep. Alright, so that one's good too. Okay. Alright, that should be good. Now let's figure out how to get all this jazz out here. Probably got some little clippy guys. Alright, this little clip popper thing. Whoa. Looks like we got some 8 millis and 10 mils. It's kind of strange. Bottom ones first. Okay, left works. That one's blinking over there. Okay, that works. Marker lights. Alright, cool. Alright, so light is replaced. Easy fix, I guess. Nissan is back on the road legally, so no police are going to be able to pull me over now, possibly. I appreciate all the views. I appreciate my new subs and my current subs, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.